Hello YouTube. It's a quick video on a service call today. Customer call, no cooling. I actually found the belt. It was thrown off, skipped off. And a few other things I want to point out. For one, if you can see, this belt is pretty worn out. It's done. But it is super tight. Too tight. Pulley's worn out. Got some play side to side on these assembly bearings. Also, it's a little trick I do just to, some guys may know this on alignment. Get a straight edge. I use a string. Make sure all 4 points are touching. 2 points on the pulley being here and here. The same thing on the sheave, the adjustable sheave here. You want a point touching there, the string touching here. That's off about almost an inch. That belt is twisting as it turns. Some other company does a service out here. It's not really doing anything good for them, but I'm going to make adjustments and show you what it should look like. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to get the puller to pull off this pulley here. I had to sand it all down and get the shaft all shiny so I can slide the pulley back on. So now I'm doing my alignment. It's actually a kit. Anytime you change these motors, they've changed them so the mounting's different, so they sit further back on the plate there. So this one technically should have a new mount, but it doesn't. So right now I'm just making do. Our alignment is a lot better now. I'm pretty much on target. I wanted to show you what it looked like on a normal belt here with the proper alignment. We've got a little bit of flex for the system there. Just a little bit of still tension, but it's still flexible. This is like a 2 horsepower motor, so that's good. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.